Port Adelaide, to me, wherever you go, it feels welcoming. They don't judge you or anything. Other time I was out and there was this one lady came up and said, "Hey sis, how you doing?" Which made me feel welcome and happy. My name is Renae and I do painting and ceramic at Iwiṟi Artist.
My name is Amanda. I also do paintings, ceramics and choir.
I've recently started doing painting about 5 months ago. Iwiṟi is a welcoming place. It's like a meeting place. Anyone is welcome to come, any Anangu. It was created especially for the Anangus that are from APY lands to do choir, ceramic, paintings, translating, interpreting, and other small jobs that are casual for like younger people to work, mainly for the older people that are here due to health. So it's home away from home, where we come together and enjoy, express our feelings. Iwiṟi, in our language, it's a root that grows underneath and it spread out. I didn't know Iwiṟi was here, but then a family member referred it to me, like, why don't you come and check out? That was when I came and started doing painting. When I paint, what inspires me is my grandparents, which taught me how to paint and to carry on the story and the legacy. It was a week ago that I had my first exhibition. I had 4 canvases, but 2 of them got sold, which made me really proud and like wanting me to do more paintings.
I do painting because my grandmother used to do painting at Iwiṟi Artist. I watch her weaving.
So they do batik sometimes, jumpy weaving, they still do that through NPY. I'm really proud and happy for this Iwiṟi Aboriginal Corporation and what they're doing to the Anangus.